We will not allow people whose signature is keeping people in the slavery of poverty, as they weave together these narratives and create these falsehoods. Let them not target William Ruto or individuals. This is not about a person, personalities, or mandasinomics. This is about 100,000 people in Aurora and Kimwarer who will get drinking water.
And if somebody is stealing, don't go and shout there and tell us that, oh, 7 billion shillings is nothing. 7 billion shillings is not pocket change. Sio pesa ya kununua mandazi. Alafu wanaenda pande hii. Leo wanasema mimi ni hapa, mimi ni huyu, kama nini? Oh, sisi mimi ni wakulima. Akitoka pale sisi tunafanya kazi. Tena pale mimi ni mfugaji.